Welcome to my channel, guys. Good evening and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing chicken back soup, and here's the chicken back soaking in the lemon and the vinegar, cleaning it up, guys. Welcome back, guys. Now I'm gonna peel a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. I'm gonna peel a pumpkin, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, I have the carrots already peeled, the Irish potato, and yellow yam already in the water soaking. Stay tuned, guys. Here, guys, spinach. I make 2 spinach put in there. Welcome back, guys. My soup is coming up. Welcome back to the channel, guys. There's the soup cooking nicely, nice and delicious. Okay, guys, the food is ready. Super ready to eat, guys. Here it goes. Ready to eat. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Chris Pastry and Vlog, and share and leave a comment. Thank you.